Good morning, good morning, good morning to everybody. This is your AI once again giving you an Avad a day, a verse a day from Ezekiel chapter 16, verse 23 to 24. How horrible it will be for you, declares the Almighty Lord. After all your wickedness, you built yourself platforms and illegal worship sites in every city square. Okay, our topic is all about lust. Lust is wanting something that does not belong to you. Although we may associate lust with desiring a member of the opposite sex, Ezekiel chapter 16:23, verse 22 to 24 describes how the Israelites wanted to worship other gods with such great desire that God described it as lust for their neighbors. This figurative language reveals that the Israelites couldn't control themselves. They went from country to country, adopting other gods and deeply offending the Lord. What is more important to you than God? What is the person or object you lust after most? Tell God about your frustration with lust and ask for His help in overcoming it. Actually, lust is not just about desiring flesh, no. In this verse, last is you are worshiping other gods except for our God. There are other who worship the moon, the nature, the sun, and any other things, and sometimes they even worship the most beautiful women for them as for them. So God is not pleased to that kind of worship. We have to worship God with all our heart, with all our might, with all our soul, and in spirit. That's why this idolatry, I'm not referring to those. When you are giving so much attention and you are obsessed, we say that obsessed with that image, I consider it also as lust because you are worshiping it. You are idoling or giving that so much honor to that images or to that person. So, isipin po natin, ang Diyos lang ang dapat nating sambahin. Wala na pong iba at siya ay dapat sambahin sa Espiritu kasi hindi naman natin talaga siya nakikita. But, we have to worship Him with all our might, with all our strength, and with all our soul. To God be the glory. This is your AI giving you a verse a day for our food for our spiritual body. And hindi po ako magsasawang magbigay sa inyo araw-araw ng mga salitang ito dahil ito po ay nasa Biblia. Ito po ang aking Bible. Hindi po ako nag-iimbento. Ito lang po ay